Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily. This video is a part of Trinity Stamps 12 Days of Christmas, and the theme for today are gift cards. But when I read the theme, I actually read gift tags. So in the beginning here, I actually will be creating 2 tags, and then I will be creating one tag that I thought was really fun that I will use to hide a gift card behind. So yeah, I just combined those 2 ideas for my video today. So I hope you will enjoy this. I started out by looking through my stash of products that I have from Trinity, and I found this. It was quite recently released. It's the Gilded Edge Tag Cut and Foil die set, and I just took some images that goes with this and some white paper and some gold cardstock, gold foil, and just foil that. And when I took this away, you can see how beautifully this foiled to and from I also had. And then I thought it would be fun if these sort of sprigs, or it's like flower images or leaf images, would be on top as well. So I did another one where I had them there. I got a little bit of an overfoil, but it's okay. I will remove that in a second here. There is also this sort of ring piece that is an enforcer so that the like twine that you put in that hole will be stable. And if you see some helping hands, by the way, in this video, my son William was here when I created this. So I also took an ink pad and then went over it with Trinity's blending brushes. I just wanted some dimension and I wanted Christmas red, so I went for it. And you can see I messed up, and then I needed to go really heavy just to cover up that little hard edge that I got. But you can see how the transition turned out later on. It turned out really beautiful. So for my larger tag that we will be creating here in a second, I wanted some images, and I really love the Ice Friends stamp set from Trinity. I haven't used it before and they are so cute, so I know I wanted them to go on our project somewhere, so I decided to color them all in. You can see how cute they are, giving them some rosy cheeks. Yeah, and I will cut out the images that I want for this project, or these tags I should say. And I also wanted some trees to the background of this. So they are super cute. I left the penguin because I know it wouldn't make it to the card. And for my sentiment, I used one from the Coco the Gnome. This is a super sweet 2x3 stamp set. It's really cute, and it has this perfect sentiment for my gift tags here. And it just says Winter Wishes. I cut it down to size with my trimmer. And when I was happy with that, I decided to go ahead and adhere it later on here in my project. But before that, you can see this tag. It comes from an older tag set. By the way, all of the products that I will be using in this video will be linked down below, so you can go ahead and check those out. But I just blended on some coordinating blue colors here just to give this tag a contrast. And then I raised up all of my images. You can see how cute they are. And I just put them down to the bottom part here and tucked some trees behind them. I just love how this turned out, and I love the trees that they are sort of geometric. And my Winter Wishes on top of that. Super sweet. I will attach it with some double-sided foam tape for this one as well. And this one is, by the way, the one that I will be using for my gift card later on. So before I'm doing that, I just wanted to share with you that I took some ribbon and then some twine and tied a knot around it, and then I tried my best tying a bow. This is really hard for me, so I really tried my best. I know it's not the best looking one, but I think the recipient will be happy anyway. So for this one, I thought it looked a little bit empty, and I have one of those really cute Ice Friends left, so I thought I would pair this one with that one as well. So here we go. We have, oh, by the way, this is my son's hand. I wanted to decorate this a little bit more. So I had these beautiful sort of white glittery enamel dots, I think they are called. I will have them listed down below, as I said previously. And I just tucked them around my images just to tie everything together. And by the way, I will share with you how nicely a gift card fits behind this tag in a second here. So here you go. Here you can see I have gift cards from Sweden. So of course I just took glue dot to the back of it and just attached it. So you can see, how cute is that? I tried this. It would actually fit, barely fit, I would say, but it wasn't the perfect match. So those two I would probably tuck behind a present or on top of a present, and this one could be a really fun surprise for a recipient. So that was my quick idea for how to create a tag with a gift card on the back, and also a couple of different ways of creating tags. And I love tags for Christmas. It just makes your presents look a little bit more thought out. Until next time, have a fabulous day. Bye!